A satellite is revolving very close to the planet. See, this is the planet. Here the satellites. So revolving closer to here. Satellite. Okay, revolving around the planet very close to density. Density is given by the capital D, and time period of the revolution. Time period of the revolution is equal. We know that the formula, the T is equal to 2 pi into under root of R by G. What is the formula? The T is equal to 2 pi into under root of R by G. Here the G is nothing but a relation between small g and capital G is equal to get the G M by R square. Now can substitute here the T is equal to 2 pi into under root of R by G is equal to how much is there here? The G M by R square. R square denominator is take the numerator. There is a 2 pi into under root of R cube by G M. M is equal to mass. Now we can write in a density. See here the mass is equal to mass M is equal to density into value. Density into value. Now the density is divided by D. The value. See this is just like of a sphere. The sphere of the value, there is a formula 4 by 3 pi R cube. Right here the sphere of value or value of sphere. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now this value can substitute here. That is equal to the time T is equal to 2 pi into under root of R square by what is it? The G is the same and M is equal to D into 4 by 3. D into 4 by 3 into pi R cube. R square and this will be cancelled. The denominator of the denominator is like the numerator 2 pi into under root of 3 by D 4 into G into D. Only G into D into pi into R. Okay, this is the okay. Now the squaring on both sides is a 4 pi square 3 by 16 GD pi R square. Now the pi square is cancelled and R will be also cancelled. Then the T is equal to 3 pi by 4 into GD. Next see the 51. A satellite in a circular orbit around the planet if the time period of the revolution is T and radius of the orbit is R, orbital velocity V and acceleration is V. See, we know the formula velocity is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Now it is the revolving around in a circular orbit. The circular orbit, the distance is nothing but is equal to 2 pi R. The time is the T and velocity is V. And when it is the revolving around in a circular orbit, this acceleration exactly at the center. That is called the centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration. The centripetal acceleration AC is equal to V square by R because of its radius is the capital R. So next question number 59. The ratio of the time periods of two satellites are H1, H2 from the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is nothing but the time period. The time period T is equal to T square is directly proportional to the R cube. T square is directly proportional to the R cube and T is directly proportional to R to the power of 3 by 2. But here the H1 and H2, taking the ratio T1 by T2 is equal to R1 plus H by R plus H1 by R plus H2 all to the power of 3 by 2. So this is right. Next is the 64. The escape velocities on the surface of two planets of mass M1 and M2, having the radius are V1 and V2 respectively. Then see escape velocity. See this escape velocity for the formula V is equal to under root of 2gm by R. means the velocity is directly proportional to the escape velocity is directly proportional square root of the mass. Taking the ratio v1 by v2 is equal to under root of m1 by m2. 66. The radius in kilometers to which is the present of radius of the earth r is equal to 6400 kilometer. 6400 kilometer is to be compared so that the escape velocity is increased in 10 times. And initial the escape velocity v1 is equal to v and it is increasing the velocity v2 is equal to 10 times of initial escape velocity. Then find out its radius. We know that the escape velocity v is equal to root of 2gm by r. The escape velocity is inversely proportional square root of the radius. v1 by v2 is equal to under root of r2 by r1. Here the v1 is equal to how much is there v by v2 is equal to 10v, that is equal to under root of r2 is equal, then we can find this value. r1 is equal to 6400, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. See, this is the VV is gets cancelled. 1 by 10 whole square is equal to R2 by 6400. That is equal to 1 by 100 is equal to R2 by 6400. 2 zeros cancel. The R2 is equal to 64 kilometers. Question number 69. A point that lies on the axis of a ring. See, this is the ring and the axis. Mass is m and the radius is small a. Radius is the small a. It a distance from the center C. This is the center of the C. A small particle starts from P. This is the small particle. Small particle start at the P point and reaches the point is C and reaches the point of the C. The under the gravitational attraction only, its speed c it will be. Now we can find the speed at the c will be. There is a formula v is equal to under root of gm into 2 by r minus 1 by a. Here a is equal to 1 by root 2. Then we can substitute here the v is equal to under root of gm into 2 by r minus 1 by root 2.